Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. In this video, I will be talking about how to purchase your first cryptocurrency as a beginner. So I'm going to walk you through how to buy your first cryptocurrency as a beginner. In my other video, I talk about how to start investing in cryptocurrency. So I show you how to do a research, then how to choose a coin you want to invest in. Now you have choose a coin you want to invest in. Next thing you need to do is log in on the exchange you want to purchase the coin from. For example, in the video, I'm going to use Binance. I recommend to use Binance to create account if you don't have account already. Then I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to create account with the Binance. So if you use the link in the video description, you will receive a welcome bonus. So log into your Binance account. Then on your Binance account, you'll find this. I have decided to invest in Bitcoin. I have $53.77 in my account balance. Although available balance, although the I have other assets on another wallet on my account, but these available money that I can purchase another asset. So I want to I want to invest in Bitcoin. I want to buy a Bitcoin now. First thing you need to do is find search button or trade button. So if you can find search button, then that will be very easy. I'm going to use the search button to search the coin I'm looking for. So I'm going to press BTC. So it's going to bring the BTC. See, BTC, BNB, BNB, BTC pair. I'm going to go with this pair, BTC, BUSDT, because I have BUSDT on my account. So that's the amount I want to that's the currency I want to purchase it with. So I'm going to use this pair. I go press enter. The page is loading. So if this is your first time, you need to play this for you to how to trade spot, how to trade like sports trade. Like to understand the welcome. They say welcome to Binance Spot. I'm going to cancel everything. Then you will need to scroll down. I want to buy this instantly. There are some options for you to choose. If you want to set the limit, you mean you want to buy. If I decide to buy BTC when the price drop to 15,000, 15,000. So if I put this 15,000, I'm going to max the amount in my account. Max. Once the Bitcoin, the price fall to 15,000, the order to buy Bitcoin, to buy 53 dollars 70 cents of what Bitcoin once the price drop to 15,000 is going to, the order is going to be placed. So there's another option. If you want to buy the asset instantly, you go with this market, then you press amount, then you can max this. You can type this. I'm going to type 553.77 dollar, or you can go with this if you want to buy this and sell in maybe in few days. Then you want to cut your loss. Maybe you are willing to lose maybe $10 or $5 on your on your money, then you want to gain $10 on your assets. You can choose this mode of trading. You can press stop loss. You can press $43, then set the price you want to purchase this limit. I want to purchase Bitcoin once the price reach 15,000. The amount of Bitcoin, I'm going to max this this. So once I place this order, once this order have been placed, have been like the price dropped to $15, automatic I'm going to be able to buy Bitcoin without being there physically to buy the Bitcoin at that certain price, because I've already set the order automatic. So the this function is going to buy it for me. So if Bitcoin then fall further, then the value of my asset is $43. Automatic, the system is going to sell the asset for me because I placed the stop loss at $43. That's the function of this stop limit. So there's another function. I'm not going to advise you to do this. They are leverage. So as a beginner, you don't need to get yourself into this. So now I want to buy this instantly. I'm going to go with I'm going with instantly, like market. Once I press this market, I'm going to spot, then max. I'm going to max this out. No, max, max. Then I'm buying Bitcoin worth of $53.75. So if I press this buy order, you see, my order has been filled. So if I go back to my home page, now I'm back at the dashboard. The order has been filled, then I've received the Bitcoin. Now I have 0.00287377 Bitcoin. So that's how you purchase your first asset. You can apply this process to any other coin you want to buy on Binance. Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, then turn on the notification bell. So anytime I upload another video on the channel, you won't miss any video. On my next video, I'm going to talk about how to read a chart as a beginner. Basic things to know about chart, how to read chart as a beginner. So thank you for your time. See you on the next video.